Today we're talking about KWHero, an AI-powered SEO tool that can find high-intent keywords, analyze competitors, and craft perfectly optimized content that Google will love. KWHero is going to help you dominate your competitors in organic search and create new or optimize existing content with AI. First, let's check out the keyword research feature. To get started, add a keyword, choose your target country, and click search to generate keyword ideas. You'll immediately get a list of relevant keywords with the cost per click, volume, and ranking difficulty on display. KWHero is packed here with stats like search trends for the last year, the profitability score, and top search results for each keyword. It also lists the domain power and URL power for each competitor. It's easy to filter and export keywords. With the clustered feature, you'll be able to group keywords based on similarity and adjust the sensitivity. After all this, it'll be a cinch to create a keyword-focused content plan that you can share with your team. So everyone can add notes to specific entries, track content, progress, and bookmark keywords for later. KWHero is really all that and a bag of chips, so make sure to snag it while you still can want to check out more features. Cool, because we're deep diving into content analysis. Thanks to this content analysis feature, you'll get the scoop on competitors and the key to writing content that consistently outperforms them. KWHero will share tips on target word count and the ideal number of headings and paragraphs. You'll also see the grade level headings to target and which NLP terms capture search intent. The AI will even create an outline for you on the spot, and it's all optimized down to the correct hierarchy for headings. Once your outline is created, you can adjust the word count, plan your article length, and organize the sections. You can also add instructions for each segment. Go ahead and delete and reorganize until you're happy with the format. Next, click the AI Content Writer. Here you can choose the tone of voice, content level, purpose, and perspective and configure the expertise. You'll be able to add additional guidelines too. And bam! You've got content that's perfectly optimized for search engines and user intent and crafted with the explicit goal of outranking all your competition. Did I mention you can publish directly to WordPress? SEO doesn't have to be so difficult. Smoke your competition with this lifetime deal on KWHero. Just click the Buy Now button to start using it today.